Let's have fun learning about the colors in a rainbow. Can you say rainbow? Rain-bow. Rainbow is a compound word because it has two words in it, rain and bow. In a rainbow, we see lots of colors. Let's learn them together. Come on. Wow, look at all of these bright colors. We have at the top red, underneath that orange, and then yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
After it rains, tiny water droplets stay in the air, and when the sun comes out and shines through them, the light bends and spreads into all the colors of a rainbow.
Rain is really great for making rainbows, but do you know what else the rain is really good at doing? Yeah, at making flowers grow. Every time you see a flower bloom, get ready to shout out the color. Ready? Go! Was so much fun. Those flowers sure were colorful. Great job shouting out the colors. Speaking of colors, do you remember the 7 colors that are always in every rainbow? At the top of the rainbow, we have the color red, just like an apple, a strawberry, or a car. Below the red is orange, just like in an orange, a pumpkin, or a basketball. Below that is yellow, just like a banana, a rubber ducky, or a sunflower. Next comes green, just like an apple, a tree, or a leaf. Below the green we have blue, just like you might see in a balloon, a butterfly, or maybe you even have a blue backpack. Do you have a blue backpack? Beneath blue is indigo. Indigo is a little darker shade of blue. You might see this in your jeans, in a crayon, or maybe even the color of your grapes. And at the very bottom of every rainbow is violet. Violet is a very pretty shade of purple. You might see a violet crayon, a violet flower, or maybe your backpack is the color violet. Do you have a violet backpack? The colors in the rainbow sure are so bright and so beautiful. You can remember the name of the colors in the rainbow by remembering the name ROY G BIV. The letters in the name ROY G BIV help you to remember the order of the colors in a rainbow. Let me show you. R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. So next time you're trying to remember all of the colors in a rainbow, just remember ROY G BIV. Hey, Do you want to play a fun counting game with me? Okay, stand in place and reach out to grab all of the rainbows that you can collect. Be sure to count how many you collect out loud. But watch out for all of the obstacles. You might need to duck, dodge, or even jump. Wow, great work in my obstacle course. How many rainbows did you collect? Wow, I think that needs a prize. Let's pick a prize. I had a lot of fun with you learning about ROY G BIV today. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, the colors of a rainbow. If you had fun learning, make sure you like this video and subscribe so that you can come back and learn and have fun some more. But first, I think we should celebrate all of our hard work today with dancing. Get ready to bust a move.